skin. Give thanks to Jah, new day begin. Wrap me head, step out so clean. Royal daughter living my dream. From the hills here the conch shall cry. Roots run deep, no question why. Through every trial just stand nearby. Lift your voice, let praises fly. Jah Jah guide me, light up my way. Empress strong, no matter the day. Heart full of love, me nah go stray. Praising Jah Jah every day. In my spirit, fire keep burning. Wisdom of Jah, me always learning. Chant down Babylon, tables turning. Truth and rights, me firmly standing. No vanity, just purity. Jah love give me clarity. Walk in faith and dignity. Empress crowned in divinity. Jah Jah guide me, light up my way. Empress strong, no matter the day. Heart full of, me nah go stray. Wake up to the sunshine, feel it on my skin. Give thanks to Jah, let the light come in. No more stress, no more fight within. Every step I take is a win, a win. Words that I sing and the praise so sweet. Grateful for the journey, every heartbeat. From the hills to the city street. Jah love make my joy complete. Life now, everything I read. Jah guide me, never deny me. Yeah. Through the storm, Him stand beside me. Though me shining bright, can't hide me.
wash away the stress and the pain. Through the fire, through the struggle and strain. Your power keep me rising again. Them try to fight me, but me not give in. The light will guide me from deep within. When the road get rough and the nights get cold, the words in me heart more precious than gold. Mount up me faith like eagle me fly. No matter the pressure, me reach to the sky. Enemies fall when truth reveal. Just strengthen my soul, that's a real deal. That power, stronger than the storm and the rain. That power, wash away the stress and the pain. Through the fire, through the struggle and strain. Your power keep me rising again. Babylon system can't hold me down. Jah give me strength, show me where they come from. The valley low to the mountain high. Me see Jah blessings multiply. No weapon formed shall prosper, but me covered in grace. The spirit free every step when me take. Jah lead the way, guide and protect me every day. From the moment I took my first breath, you held my hand, guiding my steps. With every hug and sweet lullaby, you taught me to stand tall, never shy. Oh, mama, you're my son above. In your warmth I found true love. Thank you for the love and the life you gave. In your embrace I always feel brave. You're my rock, my guide, my everlasting light. I love you, Mother, with all my laughter and the tears we've shared. You showed me strength, you always cared. With every lesson, you laid the ground. In your heart, I've always found my sound. I promise you I'll be your pride. Sunshine glows. The plants sway gently as a warm breeze blows. Flowers bloom bright, painting the land. Living life heart of the mountain. Yeah, man. Blessed love to the Empress of me heart. You Rasta Queen, you shine so bright, like the moon and the stars in the night. Natural beauty, pure and clean. Jah bless me life with me Rasta Queen. She not for hype, she walk away. Roots and culture every single day. Crown on her head, dignity tall. When she step in at the place, she come on it all. No makeup needed, her glow divine. From the Most High, her light just shine. Strong like lioness, soft like dove. She give me strength, she give me love.